What is going on, everyone, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your cup holder sliding cover on your E53 X5, and in order to do that you're going to have to remove the center console first. So the first minute of this video is just showing you where all the screws are, what you'll have to do in order to remove the center console. If you want a more detailed explanation of this, I do have a full video on my other channel. I'll put a link to it down in the description below, but check out that video for more details. And now with the center console out, we can move towards installing the new aftermarket cover that I have available for sale on my website. Go ahead and check out the link down below if you want access to this cover. It's an exact OEM fit to the factory cup holder, and it is a great solution to making your car feel like new again. So in order to get access to the cup holder, you will have to remove the entire wood trim from the center console, and then you can get the cup holder removed. It's held in place by just a few Torx screws. Once you removed it, we can go ahead and unclip it by hand in order to install our new cover. Now you might notice that my cover feels a little bit flimsy in the hand, but I designed this specifically to ensure that the cover was able to open and close smoothly. So we're gonna go ahead and install it now by separating the two halves of our cup holder compartment. There's two clips at the front to disengage, and then there's two at the back as well. And then you'll notice that both pieces will simply slide apart. Now the cover is held in by the upper piece, and you'll want to install it in there first, kind of slide it into position and make sure that the handle is in the correct orientation. And then you can take the lower portion and actually insert it into the other half. Kind of click everything together, take your time, and try not to break anything because this old plastic can be a little bit brittle. But once you got everything clicked together, go ahead and give it a test. Make sure that you have it aligned correctly. It should open and close very smoothly, and it also looks great as well. So now you can go ahead and put everything back together. It's just the same as removing it. Put your 6 screws to hold your cup holder to the wood trim, put the wood trim into the center console, and then you can reinstall the center console into your X5. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my product down in the description below. Leave a like or your recommendations on what sort of BMW parts you want to see designed for your car. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.